I am impressed, okay? Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so I decided to film a video on an everyday makeup look featuring Maybelline products, okay? Alright, so let's get started. First things first, I am going to prime with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. That is the primer I've been using, and that is the primer that I am going to use today, baby. Okay, so after I prime, I always apply powder. Now I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I have two colors. I have one in the color medium and one in the color deep. I'm going to use the color medium. This is going to help continue to blur everything out and to control the oil. Okay, so now that I applied powder after I prime, I'm going to go to my favorite foundation, y'all. It's a Superstay full coverage. I have hyperpigmentation, which is the dark mark, and this foundation covers it all up, okay? And I'm just going to spread it out, because this is a lot. Blend. And I'm literally just patting it into my skin. And then get my ears. Everything is fully covered. Then I like to go in with the sponge and kind of soak up any excess product and just tap. Then I'm going to go with my concealer. The Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in Caramel. I'm going to put it under my eye. My nose. My forehead, where my mustache is, and my chin. And I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to blend. I'm going to make sure everything is blended. And I'm going to apply a little bit more under my eye. I have those little dips. While that's drying down a little bit, I'm going to just fill in my brows, and I'm using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. And I'm just going to use a little spoolie part, and I'm going to just push up my brows, and then I'm going to literally fill it in. Okay, now I'm going to blend out. Now I am going to use that same powder to set under my eye. Now I'm going to use this excess powder. And I'm going to use the foundation brush that I use to smooth my foundation, and I'm going to carve. Just blend. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder again, but this time in the color Deep to set the rest of my face. Since I don't have a contour, I'm going to like chisel out with the powder. With that same brow pencil, since I don't have a Maybelline brow liner, I'm just gonna line my lips. You gotta work with what you got, you know? I do have a nude gloss by Maybelline. This is a matte lip shade, so I'm going to use the Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. Now that that is dry, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio. It's a really pretty champagne gold color. Ooh. Wow. Under the brow. Now I have the Maybelline New York Lash Stiletto, and I'm going to use that for my eyelashes. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it wasn't too complicated, but I think the look turned out really, really good. It is very natural, something that you can wear every day, still girly, still make you look polished and put together, okay? Like, I am obsessed with this highlighter. Like, I'm obsessed. I usually do like gold highlighters, but this like champagne soft gold is just really, it's just really doing it for me, okay? It's really doing it for me. And the no lash look, okay? Just mascara is doing it for me too, you know, like. And then the matte lip, y'all. When have y'all ever seen me do a matte lip? Like, I am impressed. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will talk to you in my next video. Okay, bye guys. Mwah.